Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this channel we will discuss different technical tips and tricks on Dynamics 365 and Power Platform, and also different technical stuffs in the world. Now in this video we will discuss how you can subscribe trial version for 1 month or 30 days for Dynamics 365 apps. So for that you have to type trials.dynamics.com, because Microsoft has already changed the way you subscribe the trial version, right? So go to this trial.dynamics.com, and here you will see the apps are segregated in different categories. This is sales, then services, marketing. So different apps are separated in different category. Now whatever app you want to take trial version, you can choose that and you can proceed. Now if you want to take sales trial version, click on this try for free, and here you have to provide your email ID of your work email ID. That means your company given your work email ID. If it is not given, click on this just immediate start your free trial, then you will see a section will be enabled. You can click here to set up a new trial version. Now here you have to provide your email ID, right? You can give your email ID, click on next. Once you click on next, it will give you that looks like you need to create a new account. In the last screen, if you are trying to give your Gmail ID, it will not take unless you click that link. So click on set up new account. I am using my email ID. I am giving my details, right? You have to give your details also in this screen. Okay, now here you have to give your business phone or the phone number for which you want to use. I am using my phone number, and I can use, let's say, SubChief. So this is the company name you have to give. You can give your sample company name XYZ or whatever, and you have to provide the company size, let's say 1 person, and I would recommend choose country as United States. Click on next. Once you click on next, it will you have to choose the country code of your phone number. My country code of phone number is India, so I will choose India, this one. So I have given phone number. Click on send verification code. Once you click on send verification code, a verification code will be sent to your mobile phone you have given. I have received one, so I will supply here 067. Then I will click on verify. Once you verify, your mobile number will be verified, and here it is asking to provide your business name. Let's say my business name is SubChief 2021, then SEPT, right? Or I can provide something unique, SubChief SEPT 2021. Now this will be your URL, subchiefsheft2021.onmicrosoft.com, and click on next. Now it is telling that create a user details. Now I want to create a user details. Right, let's say Sanjay, and I am giving a password. So give your password as per your choice. Now once given, click on I would like to Microsoft to share my information. Click on sign up. Right, so it will take some couple of seconds, then it will automatically create a trial version for you with all required applications that you have opted for. So we'll just wait for some seconds and it will be ready. Now it is ready. So it is just confirming the details. Your username will be this one, right? And already a confirmation confirmation email has been sent to my personal email. Now I can click on get started. As soon as I will get started, the admin.power platform will open, right? In the admin.power platform, you will see only the default environment will be available for you. And in the default environment you will not have the Dynamics 365 apps available, right? So let us see. So this is my admin.powerplatform.com. Now we have to create an environment and we have to install Dynamics 365 apps, right? So you have to give a name here. Let me give a environment name. Let's say dev environment, and you have to choose the type as trial subscription based, and region, let's say United States. Create the database and click next. Once you click next, you have to choose all enterprise applications to deploy automatically. Enable Dynamics 365 app as yes, right? And if you want to choose a unique URL of your organization or environment, click here and give a organization name here. Let's say I am giving Subchief SCPT 2021, right? If you do not give this, then it will automatically take a organization name randomly for you, but I want to specify this as organization name, so I am giving my organization name like this. Now currency is given. Now I will click save. As soon as I will click save, it will install all Dynamics 365 enterprise applications in this environment that is going to display in this list, and the state is preparing instance. Now a new environment with trial subscription based is installed here, and I will just keep refreshing, and within some seconds my environment will be ready. It is still preparing for instance, so I will just click on refresh. So this is important, creating a new environment, otherwise the default environment doesn't give the apps available. So click on refresh. Now it is ready. Now I can click on this dev environment and click on open environment. As soon as I will click on open environment, I can see all my Dynamics 365 apps that is part of my organization, and you can see the URL is having my organization name that I have chosen last time, and then .crm.dynamics.com. so it will be better to give a customized organization name so that you can remember in later stage. Now till it loads, I will also tell you here, if you click on this environment, and now you can just go to Power Apps. You can click on, just go to address bar and just type make.powerapps.com. This website is the Power App Maker website, where once you load this make.powerapps.com, you have to choose the correct environment where you want to create your apps or store your model driven app or Microsoft Dataverse things. Now here you can see in the, click on close if this pop-up appears, and click next, done. Now here in the top right corner you will choose what is the environment you are working for. Once you have chosen this environment, if you click on this apps, you will see all the Dynamics related apps are available, right? Sales Hub, Connected Field Services, Omnichannel, everything is available here. Now you can open any app. Now if it is not loading, you can just close it and open any app. Let me click on the Sales Hub application. Now it will open the application Sales Hub for me, right? And if you want to switch one app to another app, let's say you are on Sales Hub application and you want to switch to customer service, then you can just click on this icon in the title of the app here at the top. Once you click this, the application switcher window will open and you can choose any app to switch. Let's say I want to switch from Sales Hub to customer service, so I will choose customer service hub, then the customer service model driven app will open for me. So using this application switcher link, you can switch one app to another app, right? So I hope we have created the basic subscription, and it will go for 30 days trial version. Now you can learn anything that you want to learn, right? And in make.powerapps you have all data tables and choice available, the data models you can prepare. And thank you for your time. I hope it will help you, because Microsoft has changed the way people are subscribing for trial version. That's why this video I have published. Thank you guys, and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed. I am coming with more videos on technical videos in Dynamics 365 and Power Platform, which will give you more confidence on learning things. Thank you. Cheers.